Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, Aaron, and today we are going to talk about something that I often cover in my reviews, which is Bluetooth audio lag when gaming or sometimes when watching videos. I've done a few videos like this before, but this one's the most updated one with new information. Now, why exactly do wireless headphones and earbuds lag, and is it possible to fix it? The reason why you don't get lag with wired headphones is that wires are like a direct bridge from your device, could be your phone, your laptop, your tablet, to the headphones. So the process is a lot shorter and more simplified. Your audio signal simply goes through the DAC and the amp directly to your headphone speakers. Usually it takes about 7 milliseconds, which is like instantly. With Bluetooth headphones, you don't have that physical bridge anymore, so you gotta make an invisible one by using Bluetooth. This requires many steps. So after the audio signal passes through the DAC and the amp stage on your device, it goes through the encoding and decoding process that squeezes the signal into a more manageable size so that it can be sent more easily through a wireless connection. It starts off being encoded, sent wirelessly, decoded, and since the headphones are receiving nothing but an audio signal, the signal has got to go through an onboard amplifier on your headphones that blows it up into something that you can actually hear. So from the amp, it goes directly to the speakers. If we're dealing with truly wireless earbuds, it's worse because both earbuds have to stay wirelessly connected and synchronized with the other, making the signal path more complicated, which altogether adds more latency. How much latency, you ask? Well, the time it takes for the signal to reach your headphone drivers could be anywhere from 150 milliseconds to 300 milliseconds, depending on the method in which the signal was encoded in the first place on your phone. In other words, it depends on the type of audio codec. There are a few different types of codecs. The ones used most commonly in headphones is SBC and AAC. We've also got higher resolution codecs like the ones from Qualcomm called aptX, aptX HD, aptX low latency, and aptX adaptive. And the one from Sony is called LDAC, which can stream at a higher bitrate at up to 990 kilobits per second. The latest and the most interesting one is the one from Qualcomm called aptX adaptive. That codec has variable bitrate technology and is backwards compatible with other versions of aptX. If you'd like to know more about this particular codec, I explained it in my review of the only earbuds I've tried that have aptX adaptive support, the Soundpeats Sonic. Another contributing factor to Bluetooth audio latency has got to do with our devices. For example, our phones also has internal audio latency, and this is more of a problem on Android devices than iOS devices. For example, on my iPhone, the internal latency can be as low as 41 milliseconds, whereas on Android devices like the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, it averages at around 83 milliseconds. So if we're aiming for the total latency to be lower, latency has got to be reduced both on the phone and on the headphones. This is still an ongoing battle, but we are seeing some progress, at least on the headphones front. For example, what's really interesting about the headphones Bluetooth chips that support aptX adaptive is that they have a low latency gaming mode which you can switch on. And it really works. For example, even when you're gaming on a device like the iPhone, which does not support aptX, activating low latency mode brings down total latency to as low as 91 milliseconds on the Soundpeats Sonic, the lowest so far for gaming. But let's assume that you don't have earbuds like the Soundpeats Sonic with chips that support aptX adaptive and you're getting significant lag when gaming or watching videos. what can you do? Well, if you're using an Android device, you can try this method. First, you need to make sure that your phone has developers options switched on. If you don't have that, simply go into your phone settings, navigate to the screen with your phone's build number and tap on your phone's build number 7 times. Then enter developers options in the main settings menu and change the audio codec in use to SBC. Yes, SBC is a lower resolution codec than other codecs and it will not sound as high res, but it also has a simplified encoding process which will help with latency. But what if you're experiencing lag when watching videos on YouTube? For that, try watching YouTube through your phone's web browser instead. On an iPhone, I discovered that you'll get the best results with Safari web browser. On Android, you can try this with browsers like Firefox or Chrome. So, give it a shot, see if it works. Hope this helps and hope this video gave you a good idea about why Bluetooth headphones lag when playing video games or watching videos. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more content like this one from this channel, also I put up reviews, tutorials and comparisons, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell so that you never miss another video from this channel. A big shout out to my patrons who support this channel by contributing $1 or more per month through the crowdfunding website Patreon. When you join the lawless crew like these guys, not only can you help keep this show going, you gain rewards like a personalized thank you video that is yours to keep forever, exclusive live streams, and special access to my patrons only channel on Discord. And at the highest tier level, you can even get free merch. So please join me on Patreon if you'd like to support my work. Link is in my description box. Once again, thanks for watching. To svidania.